Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will provide you a free camera raw preset for Photoshop, and you can edit your images by using this preset in just one click. If you want to download this preset, then check the link in the description of this video and watch this video till end, because the preset file is password protected and the password will show in two parts in the corner of this video. Let's start our tutorial. Before starting, please like this video and subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get instant notifications of my new videos. First of all, open Photoshop and import your images. These are some images which I will use in this video. First, we will make that preset on this image. Click here, press Ctrl J to make a copy of this layer, and then press Ctrl Shift A to open Camera Raw. Now we will make that preset in Photoshop, and then we will save that settings as a preset. Then we will apply that preset on our other images. So now I have make all that settings and I have saved that settings as a preset file. Press OK Now we will apply this preset on these images. So first we will apply that preset on this image. So first we will apply that preset on this image. Press Ctrl Shift A to open Camera Raw. Click here, then select Load Settings. Select our preset file and press Open. So it will amazingly edit our image in just one click. So we'll apply that preset on this image. And this preset looks much more better. Now we will apply. We can try that preset on this image. Sorry. This presets look so much beautiful. So I hope you guys will like this preset. If you want to download this preset, then check the link in the description of this video. And please like this video and subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get instant notifications of my new videos. And share this video with your friends if you like this preset. And if you want to support this channel financially, then check the link of my Patreon in the description of this video.